भाई ये कार्मिक रिलेशनशिप्स को लोगों ने इतना बदनाम किया है ना, बिकॉज दे बिलीव कि कार्मिक रिलेशनशिप्स है मतलब मुझे इसको झेलना ही है, और they will call every extramarital affair a karmic relationship because they want something spiritual to justify this particular action. Even if it is a karmic relationship, it is karmic because some lessons were incomplete. Okay? But we get comfortable in our pain and we are scared of getting out of that pain. I've heard so many women say, ठीक है ना, ये आदमी नोन डेविल है, मतलब इसको छोड़ के भी जाऊंगी, दूसरा वाला कौन मिलेगा, क्या मिलेगा, ऐसे ही किया तो क्या फ़ायदा, इधर ही पड़े रहते हैं. कार्मिक रिलेशनशिप का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप ज़िंदगी भर सफ़र ही करें. उस कर्मा से लर्न करो भाई. जो तुम पिछले जन्म में नहीं कर पाए, जो बाउंड्रीज नहीं ड्रॉ कर पाए, जो चीज़ को छोड़ के नहीं निकल पाए, जो खुद इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं हो पाए, तुमको फिर से अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है. जब सीख जाओगे ये कार्मिक पैटर्न एंड हो जाएगी. लेकिन झेलने को स्पिरिचुअलिटी का नाम मत दो. तुम्हें हिम्मत करनी ही पड़ेगी किसी रिलेशनशिप से बाहर निकलने की, किसी रिलेशनशिप्स में असर्टिव बनने की, किसी रिलेशनशिप्स में झगड़ा करने की. To be able to change things, you will have to make a little noise.
Correct.
But you know what? You can also make this little noise with consistent small steps. You don't have to be Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jhansi Ki Rani and fight. You don't have to be a hardcore feminist and start abusing everybody else. It's the worst thing to do. But at least don't abandon your own needs. At least look at मुझे क्या ज़रूरत है, मुझे रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए. लोग है ना ऐसे कटोरी लेके भीख मांगते, थोड़ी सी रिस्पेक्ट दे दो यार, थोड़ा सा प्यार दे दो यार, मतलब थोड़ा सा भाव दे दो यार. ये क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है? रिस्पेक्ट इज अर्नड. डू थिंग्स दैट गिव यू रिस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ.
I was just gonna say, first start respecting yourself, only then can you get respect from others.
Because the universe will mirror you.
Yeah.
So when you start taking yourself seriously and you become more assertive, people outside start feeling, oh, she'll walk away if you do this. So थोड़ा संभाल के, थोड़ा ध्यान से, ये इसको बहुत easy नहीं ले सकते. It's good. Actually, it's a good thing. You know, in 2010, I did this program called Landmark Forum Education Advanced.
I've done it too.
And in the advanced level, we had a certain exercise where the coach, 350 people,
Yeah.
and the coach told everybody in the room that you're just going to get up from your seats and you're going to find one person in this room who you are intimidated by,
Correct.
who you feel scared of. Okay, and I was looking at everybody and I'm like, maybe I'm going to go to the coach. I'm going to go and stand in front of the coach. क्या solid आदमी है, intimidating. मैं कभी वहाँ तक पहुँच ही नहीं पाई क्योंकि मेरे सामने कुछ 27 लोगों की लाइन थी. There were 27 people standing, waiting to make eye contact with me. Ashna, I was heartbroken. It was trauma for me because I believed that I was this nice, innocent, friendly little, most harmless little thing. Why would you be scared of me? I took that as a personal insult. And I cried about it. And I was like, why are people reading me wrong? What did I do? I haven't said anything. When I went to a few other more intelligent people and they said that, what is so wrong about it? Why do you want to be seen as this humble little poor thing? I'm like, I just want to be liked, I just want to be likable, not this villain. वो जो 27 लोग थे ना, I asked 3-4 people over there that what makes you feel intimidated by me? मैंने तो बात भी नहीं करी है आपसे. And they said that no, actually ना आप you carry yourself well, you're dressing nicely, कोच कुछ पूछता है तो आप जवाब दे देते हो, आपकी लैंग्वेज पावरफुल है. तो I'm like, इतने में तुम क्यों डर गए लेकिन?
Correct.
तुमको क्या हो गया? You see, no, that was enough for us क्योंकि we can't be like that.
Confidence.
So me just being me was coming across as a threat to other people.
Yeah.
But that was a lesson that हमारी इमेज ना हमारे दिमाग में कुछ और ही है और लोग हमको किसी और तरीके से ही परसीव करते हैं.
100%.
We can't help it.
No, 100%. You can't control what anybody thinks about you.
Yeah.